Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to another video. I am Nikal. Welcome to Home and Garden Fix and Tricks. Alright, so in today's video, I just want to bring you an update on the beetroot. I realized that ants pull away a lot of the seeds. So what I'm going to do is to resow the seeds, but you can see them coming up. You see some of them coming up nicely, but I'm going to resow some of the seeds because we have an infestation with ants and then pull out the seeds, pull away a lot of the seeds. So that is that. As it relates to the callaloo though, I mean, look at the callaloo. I mean, this, as I said, people, this is just a tire, an old tire, right, with a couple plants in it, and you can see them looking good. See worms, and when you see worms on your callaloo, you know that there is no chemical on it. So if you're buying callaloo and you see worms on it, chances are you don't have it. See one there? See if I can. Yeah.
It's all covered.
Focus it better. See a worm there? So me just hold him now and squish him. So me kill the worm. That is my insecticide. I manually kill them. Right? So as I was saying, if you're buying callaloo and you see the little holes in the leaves, don't mind. That is the right one for you. When you buy the greens, you see them clean. Sometimes I tell you, if you know the amount of chemical that you have to put in that to get it like that. So don't mind these little holes, right? I'm using the callaloo and make my green juice too, So I blend the leaves and you see, if you're gonna do that, you can't use the callaloo with chemical. I wouldn't suggest it. Trust me. I would not suggest it at all. Not only for the juice, but to consume, period. And that is why the best thing to do is to grow your own food. So one callaloo here. So one next one there I'm gonna cut off. Right? And if me want callaloo for breakfast, no, I can cut. I'm gonna harvest callaloo for dinner the other day. Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and about 5. Right, plus me have a big one in the next little garden here around the side. So we just show you how one little tire. See all the pepper them now up here. See? See them? See fruit start hold on down there so. You got Mr. Faster. Faster give me them pepper here. Hot pepper, I don't know the variety yet, but we are wait and see. Right? So I cut a pepper that round the side at the back. And callaloo to the front, in the same tire. And if you move over now, a tomato this, it will come on to Christmas time now, people. So you know, plant up on food. You see it? See the bloom there? Plant up your food because I can tell you, say, this Christmas here, just like every other Christmas, these type of food are expensive. Because of the demand, the high demand. So that's tomato, and look what it's going in. A pot. See? A pot. Tomato. So you have the ginger there now. But so when we really want to show here the couple sweet pepper. I mean, this is one plant, right? In a pot. Let me verify and show you. This is one plant in a pot. And look at it. 1, 2, 3 little fruit, 4 little fruits, and one plant, And you could have this little plant on your veranda. And you pour somewhere there, right? At your window. This is one little pot with soil. All you do, if you don't have the garden side, you go to your farm store and you buy a little bag of soil. You get a pot, a 10-inch pot like this or a 12-inch pot. You fill it up. You buy the seedling. You don't even have to sow it now because them sell the seedling same place at the farm store. You buy your seedling and you plant it. And look at that, people. You have your own pepper. Sweet pepper, and you can tell us sweet pepper very expensive, Very, very expensive. See another plant here. Look how many fruits. Look how many fruits on it, people. One, see it? One. Big up Faster again and him give me them. I'm going to go visit him and look for him, man. Him give me these. These what? How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count them, Jaden. Count the peppers, the sweet peppers.
Okay. These ones?
No, the plants.
Okay.
In the pots.
Okay.
Like the individual plants.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Just like you, 6 years old. So there are 6 plants, right? Yeah, Mr. Foster give me them plants and I go there and he must say, boy, take them, man. Take all of them. So our next one there, they may all in the pot. Our next fruit is again now, people. See our next one there. Let me go on the side here. See it there? So this one I have on 2 fruit. See it? If you come round here, so are the same thing. See it? That's another fruit. And I remember me tell you I put them in. So our next one here, I want all cake. When you make it cake sale, what day here? I want all cake container this. And you see it? 2 plants. I don't really see no fruit yet, but they just can see a lot of flowering. Right? So, and see our next tomato here. See that tomato there? I don't know if you can see it because of the lighting. But see it? And see more ginger there around there. So, ginger again in a pot. So, people, let me pan out and show you everything now. So, you have 1, as a Jaden said, 2, 3, 4 at the front. I have 1 on the back with 2. 6. 6. I'm gonna have peppers for the last for the entire year plus last year because them are not stop here. And that's the truth. So people, I encourage you to start your little gardening, no matter how small it is. Even if you start with 1 pot like that. Just 1. And once you see it growing and you know it start encourage you, you start to put 2 and then you have 3 and then you have 4. And then you have a garden. So my neighbor banana there. See it? Right above my garden. See there? Provide a little shade. So I'm planting there. I'm going to shoot. I'm going to take you around to the back and show you my planting. Alright? So the sorrel there. So the sorrel might be here now. See them? Here. Oh, crazy. See? Sorrel, people. And again, 1 tire with sorrel. So you can have 1 tire with all the little vegetables and you 1 tire callaloo, 1 tire sweet pepper, you understand? Look at that. These are rose cutting in people. I see them catch. Let me tell you how many cuttings I have in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 rose cuttings in 1 container. So when them properly rooted, and look here. Maybe I can do a video on this to show you how you root them. You see it? So I try to pull it up and it now come up. That means a root down there. Look at this one too. When you pull on it, it can't come up. That means roots in there. And it come like puss come and come past them feces inside it, you know. I go kill one of them puss, you know. And a cat box this and puss come past droppings in my rose cutting bin. I go kill them puss, you know, people. So I mean, and this is rose cutting, right? And let me say one of these rose plant, you know, you can sell for $1,500 when you properly when it gets a little bigger, right? According to the size. $1,500, $2,000, it depends. Right? And that is 11, so you're talking about maybe $15,000 right in this container right there. But I'm not doing them for selling purpose. I am just doing them to plant in my yard and to give me friends and family. But if you are a propagator, simple way to go. So peeps, so the soursop, I don't like to show the soursop tree because the soursop tree like it grew up by the day. You can see the weed. Go and stand beside the jade and show them how big it is. The soursop tree. You see? And Jaden is starting, and Jaden about 3.5 feet tall. So this soursop tree big, man. So bare too. Pineapple in there now. So then get back green. I'm gonna put some nitrogen fertilizer on it. So one of my subscribers did suggest, and it really worked, you know. So then get green again. Or they are getting back green. Sorrel one more. Patch of sorrel there. So people look here. Look on the planting. Look at the planting. So the planting tree I get big. I have sucker in there too, you know. So Jaden I give you the size. So planting this is taller than me. I have 5 feet 9 or 5 feet 10. Yeah, June plum. at this, peeps. I'm showing the banana. Look, I'm going to show you this morning now. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. You see the importance of the plant. A so-called scheme me living there, you know, right? Residential area. I'm plant this in my backyard. So if you live a country, what the hell is preventing you from planting? See there? See there?
A little bit here.
There, I'm going to JJ. Stand up beside the tree, JJ, and show them. Look. See Jaden beside the tree? And look out, look at. So two are Jaden. So me can stand up, the ground, and pick the planting. Just hold the things and then cut them off. See it? See the peeps? Sun in my eye. See there? Two hands come out already with how much finger. That's three, and that's a twin finger up there. So the 20 finger there, right? So, see that? So that's 3, 4, 5 plus this so-called 6 finger on that, and with another one, I know maybe 2 more hand inside of this. This is the thing here, right? Plant, people, plant, and don't stop plant. So over here, so now we have banana again, and this is a banana, I'm my favorite, you know. Name only banana. See, it shoot the other day, and I'm going with a bag of things. See there? Yeah, man.
And there's a lot of beans.
See one next banana there. Same only banana. More pineapple. So peeps, I saw you go. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about the next little garden here. See the callaloo here. The next 2 callaloo there. You have 1 dozen. 3, 4. But specifically the other one I made a reference in the video. It's big, it's ready for harvest. See here? Some more sweet pepper plant here. So this sweet pepper plant already give me 4 sweet pepper. 4. Make about a huge sweet pepper, and it's struggling people, but me still have a beer with it, and it's still a blossom. Still will give me more food. Pineapple there again. You know? So people, me I tell you now, plant up in the yard. This is not the full potential of this yard. It is not even quarter of the potential, because I have more plants, and as I execute the plans, you will see, because I will make videos to show you. What I want to do is to plant in containers, because I realize that I get better result, because the soil down here is very hard to manage. Right, and the pH is a lot of things. Alright, it has some parasite in there as well. Understand? So, because you have to understand, so when they build this housing scheme, it was whole sugarcane land, and the sugarcane land have a lot of parasite in it, because it is exposed and been worked for so many years. We're talking about maybe over 400 years. So because of that, this land need to be, rest and followed, and allowed to re-establish their air horizon properly. You understand me? Because of the excavation and so forth. So that is what I'm doing. But in the meantime, what I have to do is to plant in containers, because I realize, as I said, I get better results using the containers, the soil in the container, can be better managed. And so the plant, look at this, night and day. Look at these over here, just to show you the importance of soil. These are soil, they are planted. These were planted the same time when these were planted. And because of the difference in soil, look at that. A bad soil, very good soil. So that just tell you the difference. This soil, pH out of whack, it have it have high bacterial load, high viral load, everything that you can think about with this soil, because the place where I got it, I thought it was good, but it is not. Alright, so this now I have to treat it, I have to heat treat this soil. Alright, and then add back some compost to it and build it, because one thing with nature, it can repair itself. As long as you give it a little push, it even done so faster. So, just to show you that, good soil is what you need, because look at this, as I said, these were planted the same time like as these. See? And I have not conducted a test to know, but based on my experience, I realize that it is something with the soil. Right? I realize the pH is off, and it have a high pathogen load. So I saw it go. So it go, people. I mean, you just have to keep trying, you know. So we have this and all. I put the whole stuff in it and it stay there and it compost and break down. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add soil to this. Right? So you have to do your thing, you know. So when you have your waste and stuff, you put in it and you allow it for compost, and when you break down, you add your soil and you build it up and you build up your soil nice and deep. So you have to do it, man. So people, thank you very much for coming along. You know, I hope we show you everything. Ginger there. So the ginger there green compared to the one in the pot down there. So it's green. Powerful ginger. Yeah, but nevertheless, I get good result with it both in the soil and in the pot, so I complain. So people, thank you very much for coming by, and hope you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, Oman Garden Fix and Tricks. Tell your friends about it and let the channel grow. You know, big up Lorraine, one of my new subscriber. She is watching all of my videos and she's commenting, and that's what I want, you know, for people to come and be a part of the community and share their ideas, share their best practices, so we can grow together as a country, as a nation, as one family under God. Thank you very much, and peace, blessings.